Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme C61 smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. Okay, to do hard reset, first power it off, press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now first press the power key for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now press the volume down key and press and hold it. Now release the power key and keep pressing the volume down key, and you can see no command. Now press the power and volume up key to go in Android recovery mode. You can see now you are in Android recovery mode. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, now go to wipe data factory reset. You can see go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see formatting. Okay, data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is a method to hard reset Realme C61 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.